Today I'm on Calder Lane in Eccles M30 within walking distance of Monton Village to show you this 4-bedroom detached modern property located on a popular residential estate. As you can see, there's a double driveway to the front and then an integral garage providing further off-road parking and storage. As we head into the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your left opens up into the downstairs toilet. Door on the right provides access to the integral garage, and we flow on through this tastefully decorated lounge, which is separated from the modern kitchen diner through an arch. As you'll notice as we head throughout the property, it's been really well kept. It's immaculate throughout. And just off the kitchen diner, have a utility room, and then we also have access to the rear garden, which is landscaped with decking, artificial grass, and then shrubbery along the outsides. Like I say, the property is in a really popular position. It's conveniently located with an easy access to transport links, good local schooling, well kept parks, and within walking distance of Monton Village, which is host to bars, pubs and restaurants as well. As we head upstairs on our first right, we have the second bedroom, which benefits from fitted furniture. We have the fourth bedroom, which is nicely presented with a panelled wall as well. Then we have a nice modern 3-piece bathroom, through to the third bedroom. We have a nice large master bedroom or main bedroom, and it benefits from an ensuite shower room as well. Properties on this development always have a lot of interest. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.